Yeah, here we have a Jet 14-inch vertical bandsaw, 1 horsepower, 230 volt 3-phase. It appears to be just slightly used. It does operate. I'm going to show you that right now. Turn it on. The blade is hitting this plastic guide right here. So it's making that noise. The gearbox appears to be okay. It's going to need a little bit of oil. You can hear it kind of slapping that plastic right there on the guide. Like I said, it appears to be operating. May require a little bit of work on it. I don't know. In any case, it will require some gear oil in the gearbox. Overall, it's in good condition. The table tilts 45 degrees. Has minimal signs of use. And we thank you for looking at our product.